How to fix NFL Fantasy app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix the NFL Fantasy Football app not working, firstly ensure that this application is available in your country or region. Then you need to check for your Wi-Fi connection. Also, if you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disable it ASAP. You can try to connect with a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data, or try to enable airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then turn it back off. After that, you can try to relaunch the NFL Fantasy application. However, if the issue still persists, go ahead and check out this next step. Head back from your application, then open up your Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search icon and search for NFL. Check if your application is undergoing an update. In that case, your application will not work, but you don't need to worry. After the update is complete, you'll be able to relaunch your application. And that is how you'll be able to fix your NFL Fantasy app not working. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.